So this is my Yeti SB165, fully custom. Pretty much changed everything. Nothing is pretty much stock on this bike. We got the XL1 derailleur with the XX1 cassette, absolute black oval chain ring, descendant cranks 170s, the Kashima 175 dropper. We got the X-Axis XX1 right here. It's still wet, I just cleaned it off. We got the i9 hubs with the Ibis S28 carbon wheels. We got the Fox X2 with the MRP progressive coil. So yeah, it's pretty tricked out. I've been riding this bike for about a month now, and I have nothing but good things to say. Nothing but good things to say. I actually just installed these wheels. I only rid them once. I love that sound though. So yeah, I came to this bike off Yeti SB6, which I only had the SB6 for about a month. I'm fairly new to riding. I've been riding for about 4 to 5 months now. This is my 5th month now, so I'm riding for about 5 months. And what I can say is, being new, even though this is a heavier bike, because I started off on a Kona, this bike is definitely a little bit heavier than some of the other bikes I've ridden. It's even heavier than my SB6 because I got this 4-sprung smash pot in my fork. So it definitely, that with the coil and everything, definitely makes it a little bit heavier. But also saying, being a beginner, it definitely climbs so good. It climbs so good that, you know, like, even though the bike's so heavy, it's kind of like you don't feel it. And it's taken my climbing to the next level, which obviously it's not a climbing bike, but it climbs definitely, for it being as slack as it is, it definitely climbs very well. With that being said, the descending is just freaking amazing, dude. Like, it's so poppy, it's so fast. It's like, even though it's such a slack bike, you can still corner very well. It definitely takes some getting used to, the cornering and it being so slack, but dude, once you get used to it after fucking 2, 3, 4 rides, this is literally like the best bike ever. I wouldn't trade this bike for anything in the world. Like, I've ridden rocky, straight trails, super technical trails. I've ridden jump trails. I've ridden flat trails, everything on this bike, and it just literally does anything. Like, it can handle anything you throw at it, and definitely a Yeti fan. And I ride super wide bars, as you can tell. These are 820s. Definitely not gonna cut them. Don't plan on cutting them. Oh, if you didn't know, we got the special ODIs, the MTBJayy engraved in them. It's a cool little touch. Not a lot of people notice. You can't really see it, but yeah, dude. Overall, it's a very expensive bike, and I would say that, to be honest, for a beginner, it's probably not the best for a beginner. But if you're just one of those people who has to have a bike that can literally do it all, this is it. Like, if you're a beginner and you want a better, like a more climby bike, I would say go for maybe like a SB140. If you're into I'm into the 27.5, so if you're into that wheel size. If not, maybe go with SB130. Those are 29ers. But I'm definitely into the 27.5 because I'm a little bit smaller guy. I'm only 5'7", but I do ride a medium. And yeah, I'm getting really fast on this bike. Like I said, I don't have any complaints.